Let's unbox the L'Occitane The Seasons Workshop Advent Calendar. This is another 24-item Advent Calendar, and as is customary, if you don't like surprises, there is a list of the items that is inside of this box at the back of this box, but I did not look at that. I just wanted to be surprised and see what's inside. So this French brand I'm really interested in. I feel that they have quality products, so even before knowing exactly what's inside this box, I feel like I would get my money's worth. This is also quite inexpensive compared to their regular priced items when you go to their store. I would expect that this would have minis inside of it, so if you want to try the product first to see if you like the quality, I think this is a good idea. So this is the L'Atelier de Saisons. I probably butchered that. The Seasons Workshop, let's just call it the Seasons Workshop Advent Calendar. It features this design theme that is more autumnal in color, so oranges and reds and greens, but not your usual bright Christmassy jewel tones. I think it opens this way, so let's start unboxing this Advent Calendar. But how? There. Ta-da! Oh, beautiful! It has this beautiful artwork that you can actually put on display on your dresser if that's what you like. So let's start unboxing. So actually, this is made with perforated edges, so you can't really peep. Once you've opened it, you've really opened it. Let's start with day number 1. Oh, it's quite tough to remove. Wow! It's one of my favorite items. This is my favorite L'Occitane item. It's the almond shower oil, day 1, and we're already off to a good start. Box number 2 is over here. Precious cream. What is a precious cream? It's a precious cream. This is a verbena hand cream gel. And it's cooling. Number 4, I think I saw number 4 earlier. Oh, it's another almond item. It's an almond shampoo. Oh, I haven't tried any hair products from L'Occitane. I wonder if it's any good. Again, you will probably be able to build an entire travel set of one product line using this Advent Calendar. A set of minis. As I mentioned, it will be a set of minis because this is another almond item. It's an almond conditioner, partner to box number 4. Number 6. Oh, what is this? It's enough. Oh, it's a wooden comb. This is going to fit your travel kit. It's going to fit your purse. Number 7. Where is number 7? I think it's a verbena. I saw a leaf. It's a verbena shower gel. So it's our second verbena item. We're probably also going to complete a verbena set. Number 8 is here. I saw a leaf. It's a verbena item. It's a verbena body lotion. Number 9 is a lip balm. An ultra rich lip balm. There's number 10. There. This is like a thick cardboard. It's a foot cream. It's a dry skin foot cream. Wow. I didn't know they had foot creams at L'Occitane. Number 11 is the Petit Remedy Cosmetic Balm. I'd imagine this is something like your healing ointment, an occlusive, seals in the moisture. This is number 12. Number 12 is a leaf. It's a verbena soap with verbena leaves. There you are. Wow, we already have a shampoo, shower gel and soap. Oh, a lotion, I think. So we're almost complete with verbena. Number 13. It's right here on top. Number 13 is a cherry blossom hand cream. Number 14 is a shampoo. What kind? 5 essential oil shampoo. Number 15 is the partner of number 14. It's a 5 essential oil conditioner. Number 16 is a rose hand cream. I can already see it from here. It's a rose hand cream. These hand creams, by the way, are 10 ml. Would fit like your tiny purse, even if like it's a purse for a night out. Number 17, it's a verbena and citrus shower gel. Number 18, I saw it earlier. It's down here. It's another verbena and citrus body milk. Okay, after showering, you can moisturize. Number 19 is a bar. It's a milk extra gentle soap. Oh no, my nail. Choke. My nail is broken. Number 20 is an interesting bottle. Ooh, it's an Immortelle Reset. Reset Nuit. I think it's a night serum. Yeah, it's an oil and serum for the night because it says Nuit. This is box number 21. A light comforting cream. 22 is over here. It's another hand cream. It's a dry skin hand cream. Number 23 is... it's another bar. We've completed our almond line. It's an almond body soap. And finally, box 24. It's a big box. It's a 75 ml delicious hand and nail care almond flavor. It's an almond hand and nail care delicious hands thing. Let's see what it is. It's a big hand cream. That completes our unboxing of the L'Occitane The Seasons Workshop Advent Calendar. If you enjoyed this unboxing, subscribe for more videos like this, and Merry Christmas! Okay, there's someone. Bye.